Fun. Want to speed up your Google Slides work? The top 5 keyboard shortcuts to help you create and manage presentations with turbo speed. Dive in! First, to open any presentation quickly, use Ctrl+O. Instantly brings up the open dialog. Saves you from navigating menus and gets you straight to selecting your files, whether recent ones or from your Google Drive. Duplicate a slide effortlessly, press Ctrl+D. Slide, hit Ctrl+D, and a perfect copy appears. This is a huge time saver for maintaining design consistency or quickly adding similar content to your presentation. When you're ready to present, skip the mouse clicks. Ctrl+F5 to start your presentation. This instantly launches your slideshow from the current slide, great for quick previews or starting your full presentation without delay. Smoothly exit your presentation or end the show, just press the S key. Immediately takes you out of full screen mode and back to your editing view, giving you instant control over your slides once more. For precision or overview, zoom in and out with Ctrl+Alt+ mouse scroll. See, holding Ctrl+Alt and scrolling your mouse wheel allows for fluid zoom. Scroll up to zoom in, down to zoom out, giving you excellent control over your canvas. To recap these awesome shortcuts, Ctrl+O to open, Ctrl+D to duplicate a slide, Ctrl+F5 to start your presentation, ESC to end the show, and Ctrl+Alt+ mouse scroll for zooming. These a few times, and they'll become second nature, significantly boosting your productivity in Google Slides. Still watching? And happy presenting!